In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Surveymonkey account. Whether you're closing your account because you no longer use the service or you simply want to remove your data, this step-by-step guide will help you do it smoothly. Before we start, make sure you're using a desktop or laptop browser since this process cannot be completed through the mobile app. First, log in to your Surveymonkey account. Once logged in, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll either see your email address or your username displayed. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select My Account. This will take you to your account settings page. Now, you'll want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of that page. There, you will find the option labeled Permanently Delete Account. This is a significant step, so take a moment here to ensure that this is what you truly want. Deleting your account is irreversible, so make sure you're sure about this decision. Upon clicking the delete option, you'll be presented with a set of warnings. Surveymonkey will remind you that this action means the deletion of all your surveys, data, billing information, and payment history. Be aware that once you proceed, there's no turning back. Additionally, remember that deleting your account won't offer a refund for any remaining paid subscription time. These warnings are serious because the deletion process is immediate and permanent. Once you've carefully considered these facts, you'll need to acknowledge them by checking all the designated boxes. This is a way of confirming that you've read and understood the consequences of deleting your account. The next steps will vary depending on how you typically log in to Surveymonkey. If your usual process involves using a modern login method, such as Google, Facebook, LinkedIn, or any updated login flow, then after checking the acknowledgement boxes, you'll click Next. You will then need to request a confirmation code which will be sent to your registered email account. Once you've received this code, simply enter it on the site and press Delete Account to finalize the process. However, if you're using a more traditional method with just a username and password, it's a bit simpler. In this case, after acknowledging the warnings, you'll need to enter your password when prompted. Then, you can click Yes, delete this account. Once you've completed these steps, your account will be disabled immediately. While it might appear straightforward, keep in mind that permanently removing all your data can take up to 90 days. This is a standard period for many services to securely erase your information entirely. And that's it. You've now completed the process of deleting your Surveymonkey account. Remember, these steps are irreversible, so only proceed if you are entirely certain about your decision to delete your account.